Hello friends, hope so you all are fine, and today we are going to start question x minus 2023 into x minus 2021 which is equal to 8, and from this equation we have to find the value of x which is unknown. So we have given that x minus 2023 into x minus 2021 which is equal to 8. So we will break 2023 as 2021 minus 2. Minus 2021 minus 2 is same as 2023 minus 2023. So it will become x minus 2021 which is equal to 8. Now you can see that here x minus 2021 and x minus 2021 is same. So we will suppose that x minus 2021 is equal to t. So we will substitute t in the place of x minus 2021. So it will become t minus 2 and it will become t which is equal to 8. Now we will multiply it. T and t will become t square minus 2 and t will become 2t, and we will take 8 to the left side of the equal side, so it will become minus 8 which is equal to 0. Now here we have a quadratic form, so we will apply here midterm break method. So product should be equal to a negative 8 and its sum will be equal to minus 2. So we will take its factors. So in the table of 2 we can see that 2 and 4, 8. So if we multiply negative 4 and plus 2, so the product will be equal to negative 8 and its sum will be equal to negative 2. So we will replace negative 2t with positive 2t and negative 4t. So it will become t square minus 4t plus 2t, because negative 4t plus 2t is same as negative 2t minus 8 which is equal to 0. Now from these two terms we have t is common, so t, we will take t is common and we have left t square divided by t is just t minus 4t divided by t is 4, and from here we have 2 is common, so 2t divided by 2 is t minus 8 divided by 2 is 4 which is equal to 0. Now from these two terms we have t minus 4 is same, so it will be common. So t minus 4 is common, and now we have left t minus 4 divided by t into t minus 4 divided by this will become t, and this divided by this will become plus 2 which is equal to 0. Now here we have two factors which are equal to 0, so it will become t minus 4 is equal to 0 and t plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here we can get the values of t, which are t is equal to positive 4, and from here we will get the value of t is minus 2. But the value of t is x minus 2021, so we will put the value of t here. So it will become, but t is equal to x minus 2021. So it will become x minus 2021 which is equal to 4 and x minus 2021 is equal to minus 2. So from here we have x is equal to 4 plus 2021 and x is equal to -2 plus 2021. So x is equal to 2025, and from here we get the value of x, which is equal to 1999. So the values of x are 2025 and 1999. So if we check that the values of x satisfy our given equation or not, which is x minus 2023 and x minus 2021 is equal to 8. So we will put the values here. X minus 2023 into x minus 2021, which is equal to 8. First of all, we will put 2025 minus 2023. Again, x is 2025 minus 2021, which is equal to 8. So it will become 2 and it will become 4, and which is equal to 8. So from here 8 is equal to 8. Similarly, when you put the value of x is equal to 1999, so it will also be equal to 8, because it will become 1999 minus 2023, which is equal to -4. And when we will put the value of x is here, which is 1999 minus 2021, so it will become -2. So minus into minus is plus, which is equal to 8, and this equation is also equal to 8. So both of the values of x satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.